What's up, guys? Before I start today's video, I want you guys to go check out my store on nightmareracingapparel.bigcartel.com to be able to get these stickers right here. They are on sale on the website, so if you want to get a sticker for hella cheap, go through the website and copy some stickers. Here's are the first ones. If it'll focus. Here are the second ones. So I want you guys to go check that out. I'm gonna leave the link around the screen, probably right down here. Go ahead and type that in and check out the website. But before we get into the unboxing, I got this like Wednesday. This is when I ordered it. I ordered it Wednesday and it came in today. Shout out to Amazon Prime. But I've been wanting this for a really long time. I finally pulled the trigger on getting it. This is a must-need upgrade or mod that needs to be done on your car, just because it'll protect you from idiots on the road. Well, that's why I think it will do, but it looks pretty dope. But let's unbox this real quick. I am struggling right now. Okay. So it's these two little things right here in this big ass box for some damn reason, but whatever. But what I got here is ALLA Lighting. I was looking up the reviews on them and they're pretty good. One is for the RDX and one is for my Teg. If you guys want to get some for your Integra, I believe the size is 1157 for the Integras. Then if you want some for your RDX, the size is 7443. So I'm gonna leave the link of these in the description if you guys want to check it out. So what these are, I'm gonna show you this one because you can actually see the LED lights. These are LED lights for your tail lights. So what these do are, they are a strobing light. So what it does, it blinks 3 times, then it comes to a full blink. And what this does is it helps people that are riding on your ass, and it notifies them to, you know, slow down. That's what the 3 blinks are for. And I've been wanting this for a while because I wanted to do LED everything, and I did not know they made LED version of this, you know, the strobe light. So when I saw that they made the LED strobe light, I was like, oh, I gotta hop on that. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys this, and probably in the next clip I will be installing these. I'm gonna install this one. Wait, yeah, yep, I'm gonna be installing this one onto the RDX. So get ready for that. It's probably gonna be in the next clip, like right about now. So I believe to take this tail light out, we gotta take out these 2 clips. There's gonna be 2 8s right here. Use our nail right here and pop it open, and that's about it. So let's get to it. Also, if you pop the clips, don't lose the clips, because it looks kind of hideous without the clips. So yeah. So I just took out both of the bolts. You could see it wiggling already, so I'm gonna pop this out real quick. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, but hold on one second. And pow, I just got the tail light just like that. Just had to kind of wiggle it around. Don't wiggle it too much because you could break the clips that are holding the tail lights in. So get this out of my pocket. Let's unbox this real quick. So here they are. I don't know if you can see that. Let me flip the camera around. So this is the LED taillight for the RDX. Super big. This has more LEDs than my other one for the Teg. Good lord. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox this and install them. Whew, it's freaking cold. I need to hurry up and do this. Oh man. So it's blinking like that because it's LED. It's not really blinking right now, but let's see. Oh, that's dope! Yo, that's pretty dope. Hope you guys like that clip. I just went to my brother's house so he could step on the brake light, or step on the brakes for me so I can see the lights. Man, that is so dope. That is well worth 20 bucks that I spent on Amazon, and got the Amazon Prime and had it shipped in the next 2 days. Like, that was fucking amazing. Well worth the $20. If you guys want these lights or LED bulbs, go into my description and go copy some. Well worth the money. And they are super bright, so if your tail light, or like, yeah, if your tail light is out, go buy it. In the video you can see that I only got 2, and I'm about to get the LED light for the middle 2 right next to the reverse light, because that is considered as a brake light also. It's not like an Integra where they only have 2 brake lights, and you know, there's only those 2, but on the RDX it's considered 4. So I'm gonna order 2 more. I'm gonna look up the size of those light bulbs, and then I'm gonna order some for it, and I'll probably make another video on having all those lights have those LEDs. And wow, for 20 bucks, that is not bad at all. That's pretty dope. I've been wanting these lights for a long time. There's like a strobe kit that you could buy, but I wanted a LED light that had a pre-built strobe in it like that. And wow, I can't believe I found one. So I'm probably gonna end the video here. I'm gonna go coupon for Gina, and I might make that into a separate video. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to install these LED lights onto the tag. It's gonna look super sick. And yeah, hope you guys like the video. I would show you my face, but I'm driving, so I'm out. Peace.